Welcome back to the channel. I'm Martin with Bellevue Auto Spa, and today we're going to be checking out some other products from Horizon Manufacturing, part of their MNKYHead line. The All Wheels Plus, which you're going to find out, I believe it's a, the word is blanking in my mind, iron removing wheel cleaner, and then the all-purpose cleaner we're going to use to clean off the tires. So as you can see, these are product samples. So a little history on Horizon Manufacturing and MNKYHead. It is a company owned by Yancey Martinez. Yancey, formerly of Auto Geek, and then he was at 3D for a little bit, and then he went solo. He bought a chemical manufacturing blending facility. This is his first dive into chemical manufacturing. I did test out his Silux ceramic sealant, and that was pretty good, especially considering it's his first round. It was pretty good. So I've got good expectations from Yancey and his product for their performance. As for a release, I'm going to put links to the site below. I don't know when the products are going to be available for sale. He did tell me soon, but he didn't give me a date. Also got the coffee cup from there. They got a lot of swag. Yancey he's a really cool guy. Dude's covered in tattoos. He loves art. He loves video production. So you see some really creative stuff come from him. But we're gonna try these products out. We're gonna see how they work. So he sent these all to me. Yancey and I have been online acquaintances for quite some time in the detailing space. We chat every now and then about things, and Yancey knows I've got my detailing channel, my YouTube channel, and he's seen my previous videos when he was working at 3D, and he may have seen them when he worked at Auto Geek, I don't know. But he was impressed, and so that he knows that he wants me to check them out because he knows that I know how to use products, I guess you could say, and give an accurate depiction of how it's intended to be used and everything. I understand the chemicals, essentially. So we're going to get over to the car. We got some really dirty wheels and tires, and we're just going to see how this performs on those. Alright, so we got some pretty dirty wheels here of a Kia Sorento. That I don't know when the last time that these wheels have been properly cleaned. We're going to go ahead and try it out here. So here's the MNKYHead all-purpose cleaner. Now, I'll be honest, going into this, I didn't know what to expect. I had expectations that the products were going to work. This being Horizon's first iteration of products. So if you don't know, Yancey bought Horizon Manufacturing. He bought the facility, named it Horizon Manufacturing, came out with this MNKYHead line. This is his first dive into creating detailing products. These aren't white labeled. These are his own original creations, manufactured everything in his facility. So looking at this stuff, the all-purpose cleaner, I was really impressed by when I sprayed it on there. I saw an instant reaction. Now we got here, this is the All Wheels Plus. This is an iron removing wheel cleaner. Now the iron remover aspect of this did not seem very strong. I wished it was a little bit stronger, but maybe he did that so it wasn't so strong smell-wise, because I did not have that strong rotten egg smell that you normally get with iron remover. Now when I smelled it up close, you can definitely smell it. But spraying it on here, I didn't smell it lingering in the air, so that can be seen as a good thing by some people. I just wish that aspect of it was a little bit more powerful to get more strong cleaning. Getting all my things all situated here. Forgot to bring them over. Alright, so we're going to start with scrubbing down the tire. This is just a generic tire brush. I don't even remember if I had this thing for a long time. I like to use it for SUV and truck tires. But when I started to scrub, it might be hard to see because the tires are a little shiny, but that is not a reflection. It is at the top, but on the sides, that is browning. This stuff was pulling the browning off like amazingly well. It's not super foamy. Me personally, I like super foamy tire cleaners. You can see the black all on the bristles there. I like super foamy tire cleaners. This one's not super foamy, but it is relatively foamy. But the effectiveness of it, like I was not expecting that from an all-purpose cleaner. I was shocked at how good that was. So the all-purpose cleaner that they've got is some really impressive stuff. So good job on that, Yancey. If you guys are watching, you and your team, amazing. And then after I dipped it in the bucket, you can see the bristles are nice and clean and didn't linger on there. So it has some strong cleaning potential. So now this is the, what is this? Suds Lab wheel brush, spraying some of the All Wheels Plus on there, get the barrels cleaned out just one by one. I do like this for wheels that have the more open spokes, so I can get in the barrel of things. It's a pretty nice brush. I was actually pretty impressed by it when I got it out. I do have a video reviewing it if you want to check that out. But All Wheels Plus, very sudsy. Now some of that suds is from my soap bucket, but the All Wheels Plus was foaming up nicely well, doing a good job. But again, just revisiting the iron removing aspect, not the strongest on it. Now this stuff seems like the All Wheels Plus may be more tailored towards a maintenance product than it is a heavy duty cleaning product. I probably could have cleaned the wheels with the all-purpose cleaner, honestly, but I wanted to test out both the products in one video. Now I'm about to hit the spokes with the brush here. Now, I will be honest, I was not as thorough as I should have been. I kind of just went over it quickly. After I dried the wheels off, I did notice some spots I missed, so I wasn't as, like, you could see the spot I just missed there. Wasn't super thorough cleaning these wheels. I should have been much more thorough. But I was also trying to see how strong the chemical was at cleaning these off. Granted, these were really dirty. I always like to clean off the wheel wells, so as impressed by this stuff as I was, I decided to hit the wheel wells as well. You can usually use whatever tire cleaner you're using. And this is a Speedmaster. Yeah, it's a Speedmaster brush, the Daytona Speedmaster. You get up in the wheel wells easily. But I'm not trying to get the wheel wells super clean. This was just a regular wash. This car was actually here, or this SUV was here for an interior, but I always wash the exterior because I don't like to deliver a dirty car back, because presentation is everything, in my opinion. So I got that all done. I'm going to give it a rinse, and we'll see the outcome. You can see there, nice clean tire. Didn't have any the crud on my fingers swiping the tire there. Now real quick, I'm running over to grab their detail spray. I forget the name of it is. I'm going to show it here in a second. I wanted to see if it worked as a spray and rinse product. It didn't. It doesn't say that it's supposed to. They don't advertise it that it's supposed to, but I just wanted to see if it did. I like to test products for off-label use. Yeah, Sleek Shine ceramic detailer. I sprayed it on, rinsed it off. You're going to see it didn't do much. So this is definitely something that needs to cure before it's going to apply some protection. I will be torture testing this as well in an upcoming video, so keep that in mind. I've got it on my panel already. But overall, guys, I was pretty impressed with the all-purpose cleaner. The wheel cleaner, thought was pretty good. Not as strong as I would have liked, but again, you know, first iteration of the product's not bad. But that all-purpose cleaner, man, that's definitely worth picking up. So I'll put links to everything below. I don't think the MNKYHead line has released yet, but it will soon. I just don't know when. But there they are right there. But if you know, be sure to check out the links down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment, leave a like. I really appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.